What are you doing? What are you doing?
Give high five. Come on. Give high five. Come on.
Well, let me go over here. Shaden, go over there.
Come here. Come here. Give high five. High five. You want to dance?
I'm too short. Hold on. Okay, I'll stay on this chair now. Do what I was doing. Dance there in the air. Shaden! Throw her catcher again.
Oh,
Aww.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Shaden. Come here, Shaden. Want some wine, Shaden? Want some wine?
Come on, get you.
Do you want me to get you a toy? Aw.
She can't run on the hardwood floor.
Okay, let me do record me again. Just in the same recording.
Okay, one more. Come here, give me a kiss.
No, in the same recording. I just want to do something funny. I want to do what you were doing. It'll be in the same one.